Hey guys, we're standing in front of 19832 Harrier Flight Trail out in Pflugerville. Obviously we can't do any open houses right now or it would be ill-advised, but what I'm gonna do right now is just walk through the property real quick. It's gonna be a little bit different than normal. I'm gonna take my time, make sure that you can see everything so that if you do wanna take a quick look at this house, but you don't wanna, overly expose yourself to any issues, completely understand. You'll be able to take a look at this house and rewind and fast forward. We do have a 3D tour coming up, so be looking for that. But other than that, enjoy the tour. Let me know if you want to see it in person too, if you absolutely fall in love after this one. All right, here we go, 19832 Harrier Flight Trail. This is a three bedroom, two bathroom home. You see stone exterior, beautiful little porch, recently power washed, and they'll be doing a little bit of painting of the trim. Doesn't need it too much, but as you can see, but it's gonna make it give it a little more pop. Great curb appeal though. Nice big porch, private quiet street. Great entryway. They've got an awesome little spot here that would be perfect for like a mud type place where you can hang your jackets. Obviously they have a great little table here, but you could do a lot with that for sure. Shoe racks, jacket, coat racks, all that fun stuff. Office space. Comfortable and bright. Built-in shelving. I'm gonna go through the kitchen. Now this kitchen's really cool. Right now it's got the linoleum countertops, but they already have work lined up to put in granite countertops and a new backsplash. That work's been somewhat delayed, but it can definitely take place after closing. And the good thing with it being delayed, obviously with COVID and whatnot, is that you may be able to actually pick out your own finishing if you don't like what the sellers have decided on. So it gives you a little bit of flexibility, but there will be new granite countertops and backsplash installed. You can see it's a nice flow into the living room. Got luxury laminate, built-in shelving again. I'm standing in the center of the living room. Huge couch. It's kind of hard to tell. I should have cleaned up the blanket, but this couch is massive. It really is a large living room. I'm gonna poke my head out the back real quick, show you the backyard, and then we can do the rest of the house. Great covered patio, wired with electricity. Very quiet out here today. Good size yard. Brand new roof, by the way. This may be a weird time to say it. I should have said it outside, but they just installed a brand new roof. Actually, 2 weeks ago, maybe 3. Okay, let's go to the next rooms. So it gives you an idea of the flow of the living room. It's got a great flow. It's very open and spacious. Oop, leave that on. I'm gonna show you the laundry room real quick. Sorry. Just because we have more built-in shelving. This is actually recently added and it's really well done. This little folding board that they have back here, and then obviously, hanging, you could hang and leave your laundry detergent, all that good stuff. They did a really good job in here. It's really nice. Do a quick peek of the garage. It's a little cluttered right now, as most garages are. But you got the garage door opener, sprinkler system, so it's ready to go. It's got all the perks of a good garage. Nest thermostat in front of us there. Okay, and into the bedrooms. Good sized bedrooms. That's a double, I believe, or a full. Okay. Ceiling fans in each of the bedrooms. Again, these bedrooms, it's kind of hard whenever you're not in the room itself, but this is a pretty large bedroom. You got a twin bed there and a twin bed across, and you can see there's still plenty of room throughout the whole room. So it's definitely a good size. It would fit, you know, a queen easily up against this wall if you wanted to. Even a king might be a little tight, but the fact is these bedrooms are a really good size. Let's take a quick look at the bathroom. Oh, there I am. So right here, you can see I'm wearing a hoodie, obviously, working from home for the rest of the day, except for a couple of appointments. But right here, we have, they're going to be replacing this with granite countertops. Again, this was all scheduled to be done before the shutdown started happening, so it will get done. And if you were to purchase the home before, we would give you a credit for that, no problem. So we'd make sure that it gets done either before closing or after closing if that is more convenient for everybody. Just pull this back. Pretty standard stuff, just a standard shower. Alrighty. Keep that low, keep the family pictures out as best I can. Now this is the master bedroom. It comes with an additional space here that could be used for a nursery, an office, a craft station, whatever you would want to use it, but it's a fully functional space. It's about the size of another bedroom. It's really nice. Window, lots of natural light throughout the property as well. There's windows on every wall, in every single room. So it's kind of deep. I don't want to spend too much time on their personal effects. Big walk-in closet though. Plenty of space, some built-in shelving there as well. Got a recessed roof line with crown molding up in there. It's really nice. And the master bathroom. Same situation in this bathroom. They're going to be replacing this countertop with granite countertop and replacing the glass over here for the shower. But you do have a garden tub and a separate shower, which is always nice. And so there will be a little bit of work that's still going to be done in here. But again, that may have to take place after closing, depending on how quickly we get an offer. Beautiful new lighting that they just installed. The new mirror, the mirrors, the tile inset around the mirror is new. So again, we were getting a lot of work done before things started shutting down. And so now we're kind of just, you know, we're rolling with what we got. But there's definitely, you know, work that will continue to be getting done on this property to make sure that it really is spectacular for that next buyer. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this around. I want to thank you guys for taking the time to tour the property with me. If you're interested in actually scheduling a showing after watching this, I completely understand. We're doing a lot of virtual tours for clients right now, so this is kind of step one. And then if you fall in love with the property on the virtual tour, we'll invite you out here and we'll practice safe, safe social distancing, gloves, all of that good stuff to make sure that as you tour the property, you're safe and healthy. And you're keeping the sellers healthy as well. So let me know if you want to schedule a tour, if you know anybody that may be interested. We'd love to get them out here. Obviously, this property is in phenomenal condition. It's not going to last long, and we're going to be doing even more updates, so you could really make it your own if you'd like. Talk to you guys soon. Probably nearly impossible to hear me because of all the wind, but I wanted to get this video in addition to our virtual tour that we just did. Check it out. This is actually one of the amazing parts about Black Hawk as a community in general, is the miles of trails, multiple parks, and multiple swimming pools. But this is just one of them that's actually about 200 yards away from the home that we just toured. So it's very close. I'm standing behind the cluster mailboxes right now, which are, again, very close to the home that we were just in. So this is something that if you were to move out here to Black Hawk, specifically to this property on Harrier Flight Trail, you'd have the opportunity to, to wake up next to this every day, to get your walks in, to take your kids out here, whatever it is. If you're an outdoorsy person, this has got, you're right next to Mother Nature. So take a quick look. As you can see, it goes on. The road is probably about 100 yards that way. Here's one of those trails I was talking about. This is nothing but green space. You're seeing the back of properties. Again, probably about 200 meters away over there. One of the many playscapes of Black Hawk. And then this beautiful little pond out here as well. Zoom in. So again, this is about, not right where I'm standing, but down there is where the house is at, down and to the left, and then that way. and it's about 200 meters that way. So you're very close to all this tranquility. It's very nice. Just wanted to highlight that real quick. Let us know if you want to take a tour.